I'm Dr. Alice Brough. I'm a veterinary surgeon, and after graduating I went straight into the British pig industry. So I have years of experience working with farmers and their livestock. I've actually since left that industry because of my concerns for animal welfare, and today I'm with a Save British Farming protest to oppose the current agriculture bill as it stands. And I'd really like to chat about a couple of welfare issues that would concern me if this bill were to go forward as it is, and perhaps talk about antibiotics as well. So, first thing I want to talk about is in the UK, I'm going to stick with my pig knowledge. In the UK, about 60% of our sows, so our breeding pig mothers, are confined to farrowing crates. And that's basically a metal cage that they're unable to do anything but stand up and lie down in, and they're in that 5 weeks at a time each cycle every time they breed, so over twice a year. Now that's probably one of the more concerning welfare issues that I would say we have in the UK. Now if we look at the US, they also use something called a gestation crate, which is essentially like a farrowing crate in that the sow can do nothing but stand up and lie down, except they're in that cage their whole lives. So I'm opposing the bill as it stands because I don't feel that as a nation we should be funding an agricultural practice, or a nation that feels this is an appropriate way for mothers to spend their entire lives. Another example I'd like to highlight that's been brought forward for us with the COVID-19 pandemic is something called ventilation shutdown. And this has been exposed by activists in the US recently as a method of mass depopulation or mass culling on pig farms due to slaughterhouse closures. So what ventilation shutdown is essentially barns are sealed with thousands of animals inside, the ventilation is turned off and the heat turned up.